Welcome back, student. Today we are going to see continuation subject history standard 7th, chapter number 4, Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj, part 5. So let's begin with our first point of this video, work of sons. Sons gave the message of equality to people. They taught humanity. They preached that people should live together in harmony, unity, and love. Their work resulted in social awakening. They taught how to live in the face of foreign invasions, drought-like situations, or any other natural calamities. Their teachings proved to be a big support for people. Their work created self-confidence among the people of Maharashtra. So students, see in this paragraph, work of sons. Okay, then what sons have made for the society? So they taught how to live in the critical situation like drought, invasions, foreign invasions, or any other natural calamities like earthquakes or any other situation. So we have to be live together, and otherwise what will happen, we will not get support, okay, and we will lose our self confidence if nobody is there with us. If we create healthy atmosphere, then our self confidence also will increase and we will get support. Okay, there was a deterioration of ethics and religion in the society. At such a time, the sons came forward to protect the society. They taught the true meaning of religion. They showed the path of devotion by living amongst people and sharing their joys and sorrows. Some orthodox and dogmatic people opposed them, but sons believed that facing this opposition was a part of their duty. Sant Tukaram has explained the mark of a true sant in these words. तुका म्हणे तोची संत, सोशी जगाचे आघात. Now students, here the word is deterioration, meaning the process of becoming progressively worse. Okay, means ethics and religions that was very worse in the society. At such a time, the sons came forward to protect the society because they always follow the religion. They taught the true meaning of religion. Religion is not color, caste, creed. We all are one. Unity should be there. And it taught by Sant to the common people, to the people. They showed the path of devotion, means bhakti marg, by the living amongst people, means by living together, and sharing their joys, means happiness, and sorrows. Some orthodox means traditional and dogmatic people. Dogmatic meaning is assertive. So some orthodox and assertive people opposed them. But sons believed that facing this opposition is a part of their duty. Okay, let them do whatever they want. Whatever oppositions want, oppositioner wants, they can do. But what is my duty? Yes, that is facing that problems. And Sant Tukaram has explained the mark of a true sant in these words. तुका म्हणे तोची संत सोशी जगाचे आघात. Means yes, we have to face the problems, because if we are in a true manner, if we are in a true way, on a true path, then we will get all difficulties in our life. Still we have to. The sons elucidated the complex dharma of the scholars, means Shastris and Pandits, in the language of the people. Face all that elucidated problems. Means they make them understand in easy language, which was very complex by the Shastris and Pandits. They were very scholars, and that is why it was not able to understand for the people. They prayed to God using simple everyday terms. They took the view that all are equal before God. They taught society to do away with the pride arising out of caste and varna, and see everyone as God's children. A characteristic of the sons was that they did not forget their duties on the path of devotion. They found God in their work. Sant Sauta Mari said, "Kanda mula bhaji, avgi vithai maji." This statement refers to farm work but applies to work in all works of life. The Sant carried on with their duties even as they were engaged in devotion, teaching, and composing verses. They developed the moral sensibilities of the society. See, in this paragraph, they have told all people, means whole society is equal. All people or individual person is equal before God. We all are children of gods. We all God's children. And these characteristics of Sant was they did not forget their duties of Bhakti Marg. And Sautamari has also said, "Kanda mula bhaji, avgi bithai maji." So, to farm work but applies to work in all works of life. Sons developed the moral sensibility of the society. Many sons like Chakradhar Swami, Namdev, Jnaneshwar Maharaj and Eknath lived in Maharashtra before Shivaji Maharaj was born. They preached the virtue of service, sacrifice, generosity, equality, and brotherhood. They created in the minds of people the feeling that all men are equal and no one is high or low. The work of these sons can be compared to that of a farmer who tills the land, makes it ready for sowing seeds. Next, we are going to see Samartha Ramdas Swami. Samartha Ramdas Swami was from Zamb in Marathwada. He explained the importance of physical fitness to the people. मराठा तितुका मिळवावा, महाराष्ट्र धर्म वाढवावा. This message of Ramdas Swami is famous. He gave practical education and lessons in good conduct through his works like Dasbodh, Karunashtake, Manache Shlok. He stated the importance of people's movement and organization and founded the Samartha Sampradaya. Chafad was the center of this Sampradaya. He propagated the worship of Ram and Hanuman. He travelled far and wide to propagate his thoughts. Samartha Ramdas Swami was born on 1608 and died in 1681. He also known as Sant Ramdas or Ramdas Swami, or simply Ramdas was an Indian Hindu sant, philosopher, poet, writer and spiritual master. His earlier name was Narayan. He was a devotee of the Hindu deities Rama and Hanuman, and also a contemporary of the Maratha rulers Shiva Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. His Manate Shlok is very famous, that we all have known about that. Next point is inspiration for independence during foreign rule. Such was the political, social, cultural situation, etc. in Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. In that period, Maharashtra was under the control of Adil Shahi and other powers. It was not independent. Even so, some personalities and streams of thought were dreaming of freedom. Among them, Shivaji Maharaj, who is considered to be a visionary of Swaraj, was on the forefront. Students, here we have completed this lesson. I hope you have understood. Thank you.